we would like to give a special thanks to Just Play for providing us with these dolls. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie 28-inch Best Fashion Friend. Oh, BFF, get it? So clever. The box says more posable than ever, and now there are new dolls to choose from. Wow! I am seeing new face sculpts, new hair textures, and I'm loving those eyelashes. On the back of the box, there is a picture of the doll included. It says Best Fashion Friend, 28 inches. Barbie and her friends are now more posable than ever. Let's get these girls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, the dolls can easily stand on their own. They come wearing pink shoes that are attached to the foot. They have rooted eyelashes and very soft hair. These dolls are articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, and wrist. The leg can also move at the hip. Their articulation seems to be the same as the Christmas Barbies from last year. Barbie is wearing a different dress than her friends. She has a pink off-the-shoulder top with a ruffle. It has glitter flowers on it. She has a teal and white striped skirt, a yellow belt sewn at the waist, and a yellow Barbie necklace. This outfit is all one piece and Velcros in the back. The other two dolls are totally twinning, with glitter off-the-shoulder ruffled tops, gray skirts with purple glitter details, a shiny blue belt, and a turquoise Barbie necklace. Loving those curls! Standing at 28 inches, this is a very large doll. Yep, I have to agree. This 18-inch looks like a little brother, but I wonder if they can fit 18-inch doll clothes. Oh wow, they kind of fit! The pants make perfect Bermuda shorts, stopping right at the knee. They fit really good. The tops fit the shoulders perfectly. They're just a little on the short side, like crop tops. But 18-inch doll clothes might be a good option if you're looking for something a little casual. I've seen these dolls at Target with an online price of $29.99 for ages 3 and up. I wonder if they can fit our generation clothes. Yeah, the tops are just a little too short. But maybe if we could find a t-shirt, we could still use the pajama pants. I've been playing around with a few different looks, and there are definitely possibilities here. Using 18-inch doll clothes for our 28-inch Barbies, we just gotta find what works for our dolls. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. I went to Walmart and Target and found a few things. This has a really cute little vest. I want to see how it fits. Wow, the top is cute. The vest fits great. We can zip it up and the sleeves go down to the elbows. Just as before, the pants go to the knees and we were able to get the boots on. She just might need some socks. But the shirt is still a little short. And the helmet fits too! I found this yoga outfit at Walmart for $10. The pants are a little tight. I wish they went up a little higher. The tank top fits pretty good, and it has a long sleeve purple shirt for a little layering. I wonder if these pants will fit a little better. They are still a little tight, but they do fit better than the yoga pants. Being able to fit 18-inch doll clothes gives these dolls a much bigger closet. So if you like large dolls but not a fan of large prices, these dolls with different skin tones, face sculpts, and upper body articulation could be a good option. And hopefully one day they'll have knees that can bend. Could you imagine a made-to-move Barbie this size? Wow! Thank you for joining us while we took a look at these 28-inch Barbie dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog, and we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.